Hi everyone, welcome you to our channel Food for Baby. Today I'm here to teach you how to serve eggs for your babies. As we all know, eggs are contains protein and they are very nutritious for little babies. So today I'm going to teach you how to prepare egg for 8 months old baby. So first here I have selected some vegetables and I am going to cut them into very small pieces like this. Here I have selected carrot, potato, pumpkin, beans, and you can select a leaf as you wish. So you can see how I have cut vegetables. As all mothers know, 8 months mean the age in which we are starting finger foods for our babies. So today also we can serve this as a finger food for the babies. Serving finger foods to the babies is very important. It directly affects to their brain development also. So always try to serve the food as a finger food rather than feeding it to the baby. So like this you can cut all the vegetables and you can select vegetables according to your baby's flavor. Few vegetables and green leaf. So now I'm going to start to prepare this. Here first I separate egg yolk and white. So I add previously cut vegetables to the egg yolk. Here I'm adding some pepper powder. You can add them only if your baby is okay with that. So now add butter into a pan. And add egg yolk with mixed vegetables and scramble it very well. Don't add salt to this dish since the baby is below 1 year. So you can see you have to scramble very well in order to break it into very small pieces. So now it's time to add egg white. And again scramble it. So your baby can touch these egg pieces into their small fingers and eat them. So you can try this at home and let me know the response of your baby about this food. So don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you enjoyed our video, you can leave a comment under this video. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.